The engine's warm in case you guys are wondering. Taking the E550 out today. The AMG can sit in the garage for a little bit, take a rest. Even though this video is gonna be about the AMG, but looking good, looking good. What is going on, guys?
It's Corey Brothers.
Obviously, it's Corey Brothers. Today is, we're just gonna be talking about the E55. We're gonna give you guys a little update, and because we just hit 410,000 miles. And we're gonna tell you guys exactly, what's been going on with the car. So, if you watched our, wouldn't have been the last video, a couple videos ago, we changed the, what was it, those oil seals? Yeah. Because the car had a nasty oil leak. And that was basically the last thing we did, and that was at, what, 409? Yeah, it was 409. So basically we put 1,000 miles on it. Actually, I think this is our first 1,000 miles where we didn't have to put $1 into the car, which is kind of nice.
We had to buy tires, I thought.
No, that was before. Oh. That was before that. So basically, yeah, this is our first 1,000 miles without putting a single dollar into it, which is really nice. But other than that, the car. We
started off 410 rough. We got a nail on a brand new tire.
Oh yeah, we got a nail on the tire today. But anyways.
We're not in the E55 either, guys. We're
in the 550 right now because we need to drive it around a little bit, get the engine warm. But
how nice this thing sounds. I mean, this thing,
this has the air conditioned seats, which is nice, especially on a day like today because it's
good.
What is it? 91 degrees. Yeah,
so we just got done doing landscaping.
Bunch of these cars up here.
Got a little swamp ass over here. The air conditioned seats are nice.
Yeah, real nice. But anyways, yeah, the E55 it's doing good. Yeah, not a whole lot going on with it.
Headers.
Yeah, the exhaust, there's a crack in the exhaust manifold. I think on it might be the passenger side of the car. So if you look at the car, it'd be the left side. Yeah, and it smells terrible. I mean, you could just smell like raw fuel all the time.
And it
sounds like choppy. I shouldn't say choppy. It's just you could tell there's a crack in it because it doesn't sound right. Kind of sounds like puffy, like a puffy exhaust noise. Sounds like garbage, but I think we're gonna be getting that fixed probably
maybe fall, winter.
I don't know, maybe sometime in the fall.
We're trying to milk it.
Only gonna get worse, but we're trying to milk it because it's gonna be an expensive fix. I know
we're trying to drive it as much as we can now.
Yeah, so trying to drive as much as we can now.
Once in the fall, winter, when we don't drive it, I don't mind, having it at the shop for whatever amount of time.
Yeah, exactly. But I know a lot of people say it's a good time to put long tube headers on, but I think we're just gonna go stock for now. Yeah, a lot of people are telling us to go to with long tube headers or some type of aftermarket headers. I think we're probably, I'm pretty sure we're gonna stick to just like a factory fit exhaust manifold because I'm pretty sure that you have to tune the car after you do like long tubes.
We don't want to tune the car.
Mid-length headers. We don't really want to tune it. We want to leave it stock. So, nice little exhaust rumble. But yeah, so we're gonna be leaving that stock. Other than that, I mean, we're not really even doing a whole lot with the car lately. Just driving it. We are looking for a set of original like E55 wheels, so if anyone is selling any
like new ones, not like
your old garbage ones with like chips on them, scratches, and they're well bent. I'm talking like
someone with a low mileage car that took them off and put some new ones on.
Like real good condition, don't need refinished. If you guys have a set that's for sale, preferably in the United States, let us know. Just comment on the video, let us know because we'd be interested in them because we're trying to get a original set to do some cool photo shoots with, and I think for the photo shoots we need the car to look original. Yeah. So yeah, and we were looking for some E55 like original floor mats for the car, but we haven't had any luck with that. Can't find them anywhere. So if you guys have any E55 floor mats that you're selling, original ones, not like the new remake ones, I'm talking about the ones that originally came with the car if you bought them new, let us know and maybe work out a deal. But yeah, other than that,
that's pretty much
it. We haven't really been doing a whole lot lately. Maybe we're gonna be doing some cool photo shoots with the car. If you guys don't follow us, be sure to follow us on Instagram at @Conforty Brothers.
Yeah, you put it down in the description.
I'll put it down here so you guys can see it. We post a lot of cool content on there. Actually, it's all Mercedes content. And what else we do on there? Nothing really, just all car content. We also we check all these different listings in the country for older AMGs and stuff, and I always post them on the story.
And auction.
Yeah, different auction listings and stuff of the older Mercedes. So if you guys, really like the older Mercedes, be sure to follow us because that's literally all we do is all Mercedes content. I always, like I said, go to the auction website and find all kind of good deals and share them with everybody. So if you guys are interested in looking for a older AMG or any older Mercedes in general, if you have any questions about them, let us know because we could probably answer them because
say, we talk to people, you guys from all around the world about different things Mercedes.
Yeah, a lot of people have been asking us different questions.
And
about
we're pretty good with responding back. I mean, I don't think we ever left anybody hanging. So
I don't think we have, but if we did leave someone hanging and you're watching this video, you know, just DM us again and we'll see you. But yeah, other than that, not a whole lot going on. We just wanted to, you know, give you guys a little update, tell you what's been going on with the car. Yeah,
we need to get the subscribers up. We're what?
Yeah, we're like
790 maybe as of today.
790, something like that.
We need to try to get to 1,000.
Yeah, I know our followers they've been slack. You guys got to get us some more love. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, anyways, that's basically it. So I know this is a short video, not very exciting. Just giving you guys a little update. Maybe we'll do something exciting soon with the cars. I don't know. What do you think, Nick? You got anything exciting planned?
Probably gonna do nothing exciting.
Probably nothing exciting. But
we always say we're gonna film videos, and then here we are doing landscaping and work all day, and then we go get a Frosty because that's where we're going right now. Yeah, we're gonna get some ice cream right now. So, but anyways, if you guys enjoyed the video, you know, be sure to thumbs up, comment down below. You know, any thoughts about the car, any questions you might have, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. And, yeah, I already said thumbs up. Did you tell them to go leave the negative comment on somebody else's channel?
Yeah, leave the negative comment on somebody else's channel.
That's pretty much it.
That's pretty much it. We're gonna drive through now, so
yeah, so we're gonna end this video. So like Matt said, like, subscribe, negative comment on somebody else's channel, and we're gonna go get ice cream. So we see you guys next time.